Established in 1969, Gas Capital Incorporated is the parent company for General Aviation Services Incorporated. This Chicago-based facility's core business involves the purchase, sale, lease, operation, and brokerage of turboprop and jet aircraft. Further associated companies provide everything from parts, repair, and replacement components for commercial aircraft worldwide, as well as manufacturing the 1.2 megawatt Innovator genset. Those companies developed after, partnered with, and affiliated with Gas Capital's widely respected name are General Helicopters International Incorporated, General Aviation Technologies Limited Partnership, Gas Wilson Aircraft Limited Partnership, General Aviation Leasing Limited Partnership, Executive Aircraft Leasing, Priester Partnership Gulfstream 1 Program, Nuco Avionics Affiliation, National Airways Corporation Affiliation in South Africa. Complete quality control is managed on an in-house basis between our Gas Power Northwest affiliation, located in Bonners Ferry, Idaho, and two additional Chicago-based operations provided by Gas Power Systems. Gas Power Systems, which is located in a neighboring facility to General Aviation Services, are the manufacturers of the compact 1.2 gas turbine Innovator genset and the Innovator direct control system. The Innovator genset produces 1,200 kilowatts of power from a unit weighing 14,620 pounds and measuring 16 feet 4 inches by 5 feet 8 inches. The unit fits easily into a standard 20-foot overseas shipping container, and with minimal disassembly, the unit can be sling-loaded to remote locations via helicopter. The Innovator utilizes highly modified and overhauled Allied Signal-Lycoming T53 gas turbine engines with a shaft output of 6,300 RPM at 1,450 plus shaft horsepower and more than 40 million hours of operational history. These engines were designed for operations under extreme conditions of ambient temperature, severe torque changes, harsh environment, and high cycle counts, which are characteristic of the average aeroderivative applications. These engines have been modified to operate using either natural gas or liquid fuel. The gearbox was built and designed to gas power specifications, providing a reduction of 3.32 to 1 at 1,800 RPM low speed output. A Stanford New Age AC generator is used, having a 1.2 megawatt output with standard industry voltages available. The skid is machined to extremely high tolerances, which allows for all major components to be changed without any special alignment procedures. The unit is designed for continuous full load operations with a one-button automatic start sequence. Time from static to full load is less than 90 seconds. The Innovator's control system was designed by GPS engineers for applicability to the twin shaft turbine. GPS software is stacked with Omnix Open Control software, operating on a QNX real-time operating system. The GPS engineers have taken the Omnix control and successfully integrated the Innovator control to operate the free turbine engine. GPS is proud to say that the Innovator has the first and only direct control available in the power industry to operate in real hard-time applications and allow for open architecture operation. In addition, the majority of troubleshooting can be performed remotely by gas power engineers using various communication links. What's more, the Innovator has been designed for ease of repair in the field. Parts are available from our parts warehouse to be shipped overnight. We also offer a complete engine repair and overhaul facility, including a machine shop to handle any special applications that might arise. The Innovator direct control system is one of the primary and most unique features of the Innovator genset. Operating in real time, with up to a 1 millisecond update, the control system reflects truly impressive results. Setting new standards in process control, our gas power system engineers have documented the following typical test runs, which depict various loads and conditions. The test runs document the stability and control under varying loads. The start sequence is fully automatic. The skid contains 2 buttons, one for start and one for emergency stop. The monitor can be connected via any network, and although it is not necessary for the operation of the Innovator, the monitor can be placed skid side in a control room or on the other side of the world and still maintain real-time representations of over 40 parameters while monitoring alarms and predicting maintenance. Auto start and interface capabilities to the grid are inherent to the control system. The 2 graphic screens you see here are user-defined and typical of the usual operating environment. This is a typical startup screen, which has been modified for a 2-button start sequence. The screen interface can also be configured for touchscreen operation. Simply pushing the pre-start button initiates the prelude functions and checks all systems. Once the alarms clear, the unit will start. All functions, including fuel scheduling, are fully automatic. In this particular configuration, 6 critical parameters have been selected for emergency shutdown. Unlimited user screens are available to track trend performance, retrieve archive data, and to predict future maintenance. This represents an actual load bank test performed in our test cell. We have used 2 industry standard cycle meters to demonstrate the Innovator stability. Here we show the Innovator in a steady state environment. Setting new standards in process control, the Innovator control is capable of updating 40 parameters every millisecond. The processor instantly commands the unit's various skid-based hardware. Here is a demonstration of normal load changes. The Innovator control lends the genset an extremely reliable operating platform, having true deterministic control, an absolute necessity in turbine operation. With the Innovator control, GPS has simplified what in the past has been a very complex and cumbersome operation. Featuring new standards for reliability in process control, the Innovator offers a direct connection between the I/O and processor. The system allows for off-site monitoring, troubleshooting, predictive maintenance, and trend monitoring with compact size, stability, superior processing, and control. Even larger load changes are perfectly manageable for the Innovator to accommodate as well. In fact, the Innovator's control functions are actually faster than some of the mechanical functions on the skid. The Innovator can easily block load up to 800 kilowatts from a 100 kilowatt base. More impressive still is something that no one in the industry has ever accomplished with a split shaft turbine. Running at full load capacity, the Innovator can instantly drop 100% of the load and simply revert to idle. The unit can be brought up back online in seconds. Impressive performance, time-proven components, embedded technology, and compact size. The Innovator genset from Gas Power Systems. For our latest information, contact our website at www.gaspwr.com.